The dollars raised stay at a local level to benefit your friends and neighbors. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Todd Alderfer. He is a board member at the United Way of Bucks County. Thanks so much for being with us.
Great to be here.
Before we get into how those dollars are actually used at a local level, talk to us a little bit about the overall goals of United Way when it comes to benefiting the community.
I think what's important for United Way is our ability to raise dollars, and one aspect of that is because a lot of our nonprofits today have had some cutbacks from the federal state level, so whatever we can do to help buffer that, it can make a big difference in our community.
And you work with partner agencies, local nonprofits that really have their finger on the pulse of what's happening within the community. These focus on education, income, health, safety net services, really things that touch all of our lives. Let's talk a little bit, though, about Bucks County, because people perceive the county as affluent, but you say there's still a great need out there.
Absolutely, because that's exactly the perception of Bucks County. But as you get to know, it's a large county. We got southern, middle, and upper, but there's pockets within there that there's absolute need. And the nonprofits that we support just do fantastic work for these people. And if we didn't have them, who would provide those services?
And that's an important point. And when we talk about the annual campaign for the United Way, the money that's raised stays at a local level to work with these local nonprofits that benefit our friends and neighbors. Let's talk a little bit, though, about how workplaces can get involved, because this is an effective way to fundraise.
Absolutely. Very easy. Just let us in the door. All we ask is an opportunity to meet with companies with the idea of allowing us to do a campaign, and that campaign can be easily done through payroll deduction. And even though it may sound like you're giving a little bit of money, when you add that little bit of money up, it becomes very meaningful. So give us an opportunity, tell us their story, and see the good things that these folks do in our community, and we really appreciate the support.
And you had your annual meeting, your pep rally to really focus on what happened during last year's campaign, but this is also a way to understand the impact that individuals and individual companies can have when you add up to a much larger financial goal.
Absolutely. Our annual meeting was our pep rally to celebrate last year's results, which were very positive, and we did very well. The most important thing in that was the excitement that was in that room that day. We basically sold out the attendance for that, which was just fantastic. And
this was also an opportunity for workers to come together, really power in numbers, if you will. And you packaged 100,000 meals?
100,000 meals, one morning, 500 volunteers, and part of that, I actually put my own team of employees together. I had more employees than what I asked for, and that day we had a luncheon after that event, and all they did was talk about what a great opportunity, what a great event, and to be able to give those meals back out to all the food pantries in Bucks County. It was just fantastic.
And that's another way that people can get involved. Obviously, there's the annual campaign and giving opportunities, but you're looking for people to volunteer in many different ways as well.
Absolutely. I mean, we're always looking for people that are willing to help us talk about our message, talk about the campaign, let us know about opportunities relative to nonprofits, because I think that we are fortunate, and I think part of our mission should be to give back to our community, because our community supports our businesses. So what a great opportunity for us to be able to do that.
And I want to quickly ask you about how other workplaces can get involved. You mentioned all they have to do is open their doors, but in order to organize a campaign, can they just reach out?
Absolutely, because we will give them all the tools. We'll tell them exactly how to do it. We'll come out to their workplace. We'll sit down with whoever's going to lead that campaign. So give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to make it happen.
Thanks, Todd.
Thank you.
We've been talking with Todd Alderfer. He's a board member for the United Way of Bucks County. I'm Jill Horner.